Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here we are going to discuss the topic is chapter 6 triangles. So BPT Basic Proportionality Theorem, Converse BPT theorems. So based on those theorems we will discuss some important problems. So in the exercise 6.2 we will discuss the fourth question. So here given, so D is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE, then prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. So this is the given adjacent figure. So here observe here D is parallel to AC, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE, DF is parallel to AE. Okay. So before that you have to see that BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. So what it is said, if a line is drawn, if a in a triangle, if a line is drawn of if a line is drawn to the parallel to the other side of a triangle, so other two sides are two distinct points. So then the other two sides are divided into the same ratio. Same ratio. That is the basic proportionality theorem. So by using that theorem, so we will solve this and we will prove this question. See, observe here. Here two statements are given. E is parallel to AC. Observe in this. So this is D. This is D. D is parallel to AC. So you have to consider this triangle. So BCA triangle. Okay. So I have to consider in triangle BCA, in triangle BCA. So by BPT, so by BPT theorem. So what here D is parallel to AC in this triangle ABC triangle. D is parallel to AC. So then whenever other two sides are at two distinct points, these two ratios are the same ratio. See, observe here. B B by B by EC is equal to like that BD by DA. BD by DA. These are the ratios are same ratio. So take this is equation 1. Similarly, DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. These two sides. You have to this one and this one. So you have to consider this triangle BEA. So in triangle BEA, so same here by BPT theorem. So what here DF is parallel to AE. So then ratios. So other two sides of ratio same ratio. So that is BF by FE. BF by FE is equal to, so this triangle. Okay. BD by DA. BD by DA. So consider second equation. So observe these two two equations. So B by AC, BD by DA, BF by FE, BD by D. So these two RHS are equal, then automatically LHS are equal. So then write B by EC is equal to from one end to B by EC is equal to BF by FE. See, observe here what here prove that BF by FE. See here the BF by FE, BE by EC. So you write here in this side BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. So this is our how to prove this in this question. Okay. So this is the fourth question. See here, next question, by using basic proportionality theorem. Next question. So this is the adjacent figure given. So LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, and prove that AM by AB, AM by, see this, AM by AB, like that, AN by AD. Okay, AN by AD. You have to prove it by using basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem, we know that if a line drawn parallel to the other side of a triangle, so other two sides are distinct 2 points, then the other two sides are the same ratio, divided into same ratio, that is BPT. By using that statement, we have to prove this one. Okay, see first one, here given, we know that this is given, LM is parallel to CV. So that is LM is parallel, see here, LM is parallel to BC or CB. So you have to consider triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. LM is parallel to CB. So by BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. So another name for Thales theorem also. Okay. So here we know that here AB. See here the long side AB. You have to, the denominator is AB, here AD. So that's why you have to the ratios, same ratio how to write here in this triangle. In this triangle, AM by AB, small by big, AM by AB. Like that here also, AL by AC, AL by AC. So you have to consider equation 1. So like that. So second one, LN is parallel to CD. LN is parallel to CD. You have to consider this triangle. So in triangle ADC, LN is parallel to CD. LN is parallel to CD by BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. So then take AD. So here AN by AD, this triangle. AN by AD is equal to AL by AC. AL by AC. This is equation 2. See here, observe here, from equation 1 and 2, AL by AC, AL by AC are equal. Then automatically these two are equal. So then write from 1 and 2. So AB by AM by AB is equal to AN by. So this is how to prove this one. AM by AB is equal to AN by AB. Okay. So this is about basic proportional. These are two questions. Okay. So if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.